All you need to do is create a half up, half down hairstyle first and then make that beautiful wrap of all the hair. Next, we're moving on with a ponytail, turning it into a cute high bun. Don't forget to add that hair accessory to have the most beautiful outcome. These super simple wrapping techniques are to die for. Just the easiest. Let's see what kind of hairstyle we're getting out of this one. And these rose ties are gonna give it the cutest results. On to the next one, sweetie. Are you ready? Create 2 cute ponytails and then wrap them together with a beautiful accessory. Section after section in zigzag motion, only halfway, and you've got the best results. And let's get on to the last one for today. Such a cute high bun.